Dang, y'all saw me. Thank you. Free. I don't even know what I said. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are making ramen noodles as you saw. I messed up the intro, but I don't care. So, my name is Chef Isaiah, and today we're going to be mixing some ramen noodles. Open them up. You gotta make sure you get all the goods. Now let's go over to the sink. Alright. Gotta put a little bit of water in it. So yeah. Let's go. Should hold it up, my boy. Let's go over to the microwave. Then you put it on the microwave in 6 on 6. This is going to take a while. Going to take it out now. I need something. Got this. Oh, I left the camera. You know what we do now? Chicken flavor seasoning. Get the fork. Let's put it in there. Sometimes if you don't like a lot of the salt or the chicken flavor, you can use half the packet or anything. And I'm sick and I'm making my own self. I'm a little sick because today at school and my eye and stuff. It don't really matter. Let's get back to your cooking. But if you're like, yeah, that's just soup for me. But if you're like, yeah, you know what I mean. Let's just go. Because if you use all the packet, make sure your blood pressure goes all the way up. Make sure that don't happen. Alright. Yeah. Didn't use all the I didn't use all the packet. Alright. Make sure you pour the water out too. Let's go back to the sink. Here we go. This for you, my boy. Got that from Dashi. Sometimes I pour the water out before I put the seasoning in it. Let's go back over here. Alright, now we gotta stir, whatever. Make sure you get the chicken flavor all in it. Boys and girls. Now let's go to the table and eat it. No, who I'm kidding. Can we eat it right now, or should we eat it at the table? Table.
Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
Dollar, 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 dollar. Ching, ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then your talking don't matter. Ching, ching, bling, bling, patent pockets. We take the dollar, dollar, can a damn soul stop it. Here comes the new kid on the block. Hold on your bets, here's where the buck stops. See, first of all, I'm stepping out on my own. About time I elevated to claim my own throne. Success in my blood, call it homegrown. Pores reeking testosterone. Power and money got me crazy cocky. No longer need you, poppy. I know you're mad because you can't stop me. And if you wonder how this player done scooped your honey, I think she smell my cologne, it's called brand new money. Making major moves, man, ain't a damn thing funny. Pimpin' hood rats,
Y'all make
boy
this at
bunnies.
home.
They see the
See you next time.